Many business owners think that renovation is only about making a shop look beautiful. In reality, a good renovation is a smart business investment that can help attract more customers, increase sales, and improve the overall shopping experience. Customers often decide whether to enter a business within a few moments of seeing it. If a shop looks clean, modern, and welcoming, people are more likely to walk in and make a purchase. Recent retail trends also show that businesses are focusing on better customer experiences, smarter layouts, improved lighting, and flexible spaces, instead of simply spending money on expensive decorations. The first thing customers notice is the outside appearance of a business. A fresh coat of paint, a clean entrance, attractive signs, and well-maintained windows can completely change how people see your business. Even if you sell excellent products, a neglected building may make customers believe your products or services are of poor quality. Investing in a welcoming entrance creates a positive first impression and encourages people to step inside. Lighting is another renovation that can make a huge difference. Dark shops often feel small and uninviting, while bright spaces appear larger, cleaner, and safer. Natural light is excellent if your building allows it, but modern energy-efficient lighting can also transform a business. Good lighting helps customers clearly see products, making it easier for them to make buying decisions. It also creates a comfortable environment where customers are willing to spend more time browsing. Improving the layout of your business is one of the most effective ways to increase sales. Customers should be able to move around comfortably without feeling crowded. Popular products should be easy to find, while high-profit items can be placed in areas where customers naturally walk. Businesses that carefully organize customer traffic often experience higher sales because shoppers discover more products before reaching the checkout counter. Replacing old shelves, counters, and display units can also improve customer experience. Modern displays make products look more attractive and organized. Customers enjoy shopping in stores where products are neatly arranged and clearly labeled. You do not always need expensive furniture. Sometimes repainting existing shelves or replacing damaged sections is enough to give the business a fresh new look. Comfort should also be part of every renovation plan. Customers appreciate clean floors, comfortable temperatures, proper ventilation, and enough space to move around. If your business serves families, adding a few chairs where customers can rest may encourage them to stay longer. The longer customers remain in your business, the greater the chance they will purchase additional products. Technology has become an important part of business renovations. Many customers now expect fast and convenient shopping experiences. Renovating your checkout area to allow enough space for digital payment systems can reduce waiting time and improve customer satisfaction. You can also install digital screens to advertise promotions or display useful product information. These improvements help create a modern shopping experience without completely rebuilding the business. Do not ignore storage space during renovation. A well-organized storeroom allows employees to quickly restock products and reduces clutter in customer areas. Efficient storage also helps reduce damaged stock and improves inventory management. Customers are more likely to buy when shelves remain fully stocked throughout the day. Refreshing your business colors can also influence customer behavior. Warm and welcoming colors often create positive emotions, while bright colors can draw attention to promotional products. The colors should match your brand and the type of products you sell. A pharmacy, for example, may benefit from clean white and blue colors, while a bakery may create a warm feeling with cream and brown colors. Clear signs inside the business make shopping easier. Customers should quickly know where to find different products or services. Price labels should be easy to read, and promotional offers should stand out. Confused customers may leave without buying, while clear directions improve the shopping experience. If you own a restaurant or cafe, renovating the seating area can significantly increase sales. Comfortable seating, attractive decorations, pleasant lighting, and clean washrooms encourage customers to stay longer and return with friends and family. Small improvements often have a greater impact than expensive renovations that ignore customer comfort. Business owners should also consider improving accessibility. Wider entrances, ramps where needed, and clear walkways make it easier for everyone, including elderly customers and people with disabilities, to visit the business. A business that is easy to access serves more customers and builds a positive reputation within the community. Energy-efficient renovations can reduce operating costs while improving customer comfort. Replacing old lighting with energy-saving bulbs, installing better insulation, improving ventilation, or using energy-efficient equipment may reduce monthly electricity bills. The money saved can be invested in marketing, inventory, or future business growth. Clean washrooms can also influence customer opinions. Customers often judge the overall cleanliness of a business by the condition of its washrooms. Renovating washrooms with clean tiles, working taps, proper lighting, and regular maintenance creates a better impression and encourages repeat visits. Many business owners worry about renovation costs, but improvements do not have to happen all at once. You can renovate in stages depending on your budget. For example, you might first repaint the building, then improve lighting, replace displays later, and eventually upgrade the checkout area. This gradual approach allows the business to continue operating while improvements are made. For a small retail shop in Kenya, a basic renovation budget might range from Kenyan shillings 50,000 to Kenyan shillings 300,000, depending on the size of the premises and the improvements required. Larger businesses may spend much more, but the most important goal is ensuring that every renovation improves customer experience and supports higher sales rather than simply making the building look expensive. It is also wise to ask customers for feedback after completing renovations. They may notice improvements that you did not expect or suggest additional changes that could make shopping even easier. Listening to customers helps you continue improving your business over time. Successful renovations are not about following every new design trend. Instead, they focus on solving real business problems. If customers struggle to find products, improve the layout. If the business feels dark, improve the lighting. If queues are too long, redesign the checkout area. Every renovation should have a clear purpose that supports customer satisfaction and business growth. In the end, a well-planned business renovation is an investment rather than an expense. A clean, attractive, organized, and comfortable business creates confidence, encourages customers to spend more time shopping, and increases the chances of repeat visits. When combined with excellent customer service, quality products, and fair pricing, thoughtful renovations can become one of the most effective ways to increase sales and build a stronger business for many years to come.